In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Slack to Gmail. This integration can be a real game changer, especially if you're looking to streamline your workflow and keep all your communications in one convenient place. So let's dive right in and make your digital life a little bit easier. First things first, you'll want to open up Slack. You can do this by heading to the Slack app on your computer or by navigating to the Slack website using your browser. Once you've got Slack open, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll see a menu. What you're looking for is the icon that looks like three little dots stacked on top of each other. This is your gateway to accessing additional options and tools within Slack. Now, go ahead and click on those three dots. A drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, you'll see an option labeled Tools. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to another section within Slack. This is where you can manage different integrations and apps. Next, you're going to want to select Apps. Clicking on this will take you to the Slack app directory, a place where all sorts of integrations, including the one we're after today, can be found. Once you're in the app directory, you'll notice a search bar at the top. This is where you can type in the name of the app you're looking to add. In this case, type in Slack for Gmail. As you type, the system will likely start to suggest matches. Keep typing until you see the correct app pop up in the results, and then give it a click. After clicking on Slack for Gmail, you should be directed to the apps page. Here, you'll find more information about the integration, what it does, and how it can benefit you. But for now, what we're interested in is the Add to Slack button. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be prompted to follow a few more instructions to complete the integration. This will likely include granting permissions for Slack to access certain elements of your Gmail account. Don't worry though, these permissions are necessary for the integration to function properly and stay secure. Once you've completed these steps, you should have successfully added Slack to Gmail. From here, you can start using the integration to send emails directly to Slack channels or even specific team members, making sure nothing important ever slips through the cracks. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to bring Slack and Gmail together. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your day-to-day communications just that little bit smoother. Thanks for watching and happy integrating!